It's a beautiful Friday afternoon, and it feels great because it's almost springtime. Thrilled to share that we've developed new outdoor inserts. The outer shell is made of a fabric called Bell Block from Trivantage, and it is specially designed to resist the elements, to resist stains, to resist mold and mildew, perfect for marine applications. We chose this fill, a very coarse polyester fiber, so that if any water did enter the insert, it would pass through. Which is very different from like a microfiber gel, which it just happened to be in this rock over here. But anyway, the microfiber gel, see how fine the fibers are? This would almost absorb water. Bethany, want to pour some water on this? Not absorbent at all. Water just passes through. Okay, let's check out on the pillow. Oh, it beads up. Nice. Beautiful. Wow! All right, good close up of these beauties.
I think that was good.
That was good.
Yeah, that was good.
I'm freaking cool.